Welcome to Oncology Data Advisor. Today, I have the honor of being joined by Dr. Christopher Choi, who is an Associate Professor of Oncology and Senior Vice President of Industry Partnerships at Roswell Park Comprehensive Cancer Center. This December, Roswell Park celebrated the opening of their newly expanded Good Manufacturing Practices, or GMP, engineering and cell manufacturing facility, which is now the largest academic GMP facility in the U.S. Today, Dr. Choi is here to tell us more about how this facility offers unprecedented capacity to develop and deliver cell and gene therapies. Dr. Choi, thank you so much for coming on the show today.
Thank you for having me. Let me provide a little background about myself. I've been doing GMP manufacturing and cell therapy I'm going to age myself, for a little over 20 years. Um, and so, what that means is that I've seen the evolution over this time, and it's really been fantastic how this field has grown over these 2 decades. I am a trained immunologist, I have a PhD in immunology, but I also have a business degree in operations. And so I was on faculty here at Roswell Park initially, following my stint in California. Then after that, I decided to go to industry. So I joined a company called Kite Pharma from Gilead Sciences. Then I joined a smaller company called CRISPR Therapeutics. And I've been fortunate enough to work on multiple early phase clinical trials as well as 3 commercial products. Just the evolution has been amazing. My role here at Roswell Park is the director, as you mentioned, SVP of Industry Partnerships, as well as directing our GMP facility. And so we had our grand opening recently, which makes us, as you mentioned, the largest academic GMP facility by room number in the country. And so what that allows for us and for our customers is access to the infrastructure. One of the bottlenecks, I believe, for academics is that expertise. If you have an idea, how do you take that idea from your idea to an actual product that'll go first in human? And then from that product to do a first in human trial, and then whatever number of patients you want to treat for that phase 1, how do you actually change that, develop that product to be commercially viable? And that's something that we can help with.
Amazing. Thanks so much for the introduction. And congratulations on the grand opening of the new GMP facility. I'm excited to learn more about it today.
Yeah.
So, we'd like to start off by telling us a little bit about what the facility is and what exactly is done there.
Yeah. It's interesting. We have an actual facility, which are clean rooms, and this is governed or mandated by the FDA that you have to have control of your manufacturing process for cell therapy products. And when you think about clean rooms, you think about drug products and you think about GMP, good manufacturing practices for drug products. It's almost synonymous. But reality is these GMP regulations came about from a publication, a book back in the early 1900s called The Jungle by Upton Sinclair, really talking about the meat packing industry. But you can imagine that that concept of having processes and control can be used by everything, right? From meat packing to drug manufacturing. So that's what we do within our facility is we make sure we have control of our manufacturing process for the drug product. And so with 20 rooms, this really allows us to do multiple clinical trials within the Institute, not only for the academic community, but also for our industry partners.
Amazing. Thanks for telling us more about it. So, what are some of the new equipment and services that the expansion offers?
So the 20 rooms is the big thing. But for an academic institute to have a facility that can meet industry rigors, it's unique. So that's the main thing. Having that here in Western New York, in Buffalo, is a game changer. In terms of the actual equipment, that's we do have a lot of unique equipment, but again, we're a service organization, meaning that our customers will have to come to us and tell us what equipment they need to manufacture. So because of that, we have gene editing products, we have viral vectors, we have all the capabilities you need to do a CAR T trial, as well as other cell therapy trials like dendritic cell vaccines, engineered TCRs, NK products. If you can imagine, if you need something to make a product that'll go into early phase as well as pivotal, we would have that here at Roswell Park within the GEM GMP facility.
Amazing. Really sounds like the cutting edge of the field.
Yeah, absolutely. We like to, in fact, it says that on our website, cutting edge, state of the art. So
Awesome. So how do these new services help Roswell Park to work towards its goal of advancing therapeutic development?
one of the challenges for early investigators is that they've probably never done a CAR T or cell therapy trial. Having that expertise going from bench side to the patient's bedside, it's really complicated and prescriptive. The FDA wants to see certain things. And so, what we can do is provide that experience and that guidance for investigators, even more seasoned investigators. We can help with our experience to do it perhaps more efficiently or to do it using cost saving measures. So we have that expertise here and we have all the capabilities here. So normally if you're at an institute, if you want to make a viral vector, you might have to go to a CDMO or a CMO and they'll make the viral vector and you have to pay them a certain amount, get on queue. If you want to have some tests done, you might have to go to a CTO, a contract testing organization, and then they have to do all those tests. And that could be, not just one test, but you could go to multiple CTOs because you have multiple tests. But having all of these capabilities on site really helps our customers take their ideas to the clinic.
Absolutely. So I know some of the challenges in therapeutic development are funding and production constraints. How does a GMP facility help to tackle these challenges?
In terms of funding, we are going to be more cost effective than a traditional CMO or CDMO. And the reason why is because we're an academic institute, we are funded and we're a comprehensive cancer center. So we're a CCSG center. And additionally, we have expertise here within our faculty, meaning that, and we have some of the world experts in CAR T, in gene editing, right here at Roswell Park. If you need that expertise, that experience, that knowledge is already here. You don't have to hire folks because they're doing research. They're the forefront of research. So if a customer comes here, we be able to provide those resources as well as experience at a much reduced rate because we're already paying these folks to be here to do the research. And so we're able to leverage not only the talent that we already have here, but also the GNA, general administrative, meaning that we're a comprehensive cancer center. We do research. We're treating patients. So if you want to do a clinical trial, not only can we manufacture the product here, but we can actually do the trial here and treat the patients here and monitor the patients throughout the trial, throughout even, when the trial's over, you want to probably track them as well. So that's how I think we can benefit the industry as a whole and definitely for Western New York and the surrounding areas.
Absolutely. It's great to know. So speaking of some of these clinical trials you mentioned, I know a lot of it is under wraps for now, but what's some of the research that's ongoing or planned?
So we've been very fortunate to find some industry partners where we're either co-developing products or they have products that perhaps they would not be able to do because of their resource constraints. So with those, we do have CAR Ts, we do have engineered TCRs and dendritic cells from industry as well as internal clinical trials. As you mentioned, a lot of the industry trials are under a CDA. So unfortunately, I can't tell you, but I think if you were to Google, we would probably be on their website. So I think people can easily find out by Googling this. But internally, we have multiple trials. One of the great things about being at a comprehensive cancer center is when I was in industry, we would license technology from academics. And some of the academics that we have licensed technologies from, they're all here at Roswell. And this is a recent development. So we have Dr. Marco Davila. Dr. Rainier Brengens recently won the Warren Alpert Prize for his contributions for CAR T. And I think you might know that he was the scientific co-founder of Therapeutics, which has commercial products in the market. So it's really an exciting time here.
Awesome. Really exciting research. Looking forward to hearing more about it as it all progresses. So since a lot of our audience is community oncologists, what would you like to tell those who are watching this video about how the new GMP facility will help to improve cancer care delivery and therapies in the future?
But with community oncologists, definitely if you have patients that might not have any options. Our goal is to have a cell therapy, a CAR T therapy for every indication. So definitely call us and see if we have a trial open that maybe your patient might be able to take part in. So, in addition to that, if you're at another institute that doesn't have this capability, what we can do is manufacture the product for you within our clinical trial. Or if you have a clinical trial that you'd like to do, we can help you through that process and we can just ship you the product to your site, to your hospital. For community practices, I would imagine that we can work with the oncologists for their patients to make sure that they're up to date on the clinical trials that we have, and they're welcome to take part in it.
Awesome, great to know. And then same question for patients. For the patients who are listening, what should they know about how the GMP facility is helping to improve care?
We have world experts right here. There's only a handful of commercial CAR T products out there. And as a team, we've worked on multiple of these, not only early phase, but at the actual commercial products that are in market today. So if you want to perhaps explore clinical trials and potential therapies that can help give hope to the patients, I would suggest that they call Roswell Park and see what we have to offer.
Perfect. Well, awesome. Thank you so much, Dr. Choi, for coming on today to tell us all about the GMP facility. It's really wonderful to hear about how this is really helping to advance therapeutic development and helping to improve care. So thank you again for sharing all this with us today.
Thank you for having me.